You know, part of the process is just mental. You have to feel relaxed. You have to be in a comfortable setting. And one of the reasons that I think it sounds so natural is just a split second before I actually speak the words, I'm hearing those in my mind. I actually do speak the entire script probably a half a dozen times before we record it. As I'm speaking this script, I'm trying to listen to how I sound. You can certainly record yourself and see how natural you sound. I think people tend to want to rush through some of their discussions and their dialogue. So taking a breath, pausing a little bit.
Many of which are already in place.
Giving yourself time to...
So until next time, make it a great day.
And give that inflection, I think, is important in terms of really speaking clearly. When you are speaking to someone else, you have to be somewhat animated, just like you would if you're talking to them normally. That includes eye gestures, that includes head gestures.
When life gives you lemons.
I do direct theater productions as well, so I'm well versed in helping the theater performers non-verbally communicate with the audience. And so that's just as important as the verbal communication that goes along with whatever the words are you're speaking. And so I think it makes it more genuine. I think the one tip, if anyone's feeling somewhat uncomfortable, we intentionally at the beginning of our scripts put some personal anecdote or personal story or something that we can relate to. And I think that helps you make it more personal. And if you can do that and feel that energy behind the personality, that'll help relax you a little bit. I guess the other tip is simply this. Sharon and her team are great at making you look good. And so just let them do their thing. If that means you've got to go back and record 2 or 3 takes, whatever, just let them do it. They're the professionals. They'll make you sound great.